Most people believe one lie. If I work hard, I'll get rich. Charlie Munger strongly disagreed. He believes something far more uncomfortable and far more true. The hard truth. Munger knew Charlie Munger never said working hard was useless. He said working hard alone is not enough. Millions of people work hard every day. Long hours, multiple jobs, endless effort, yet they remain stuck. Why? Because they are trapped in employee thinking. Employee thinking versus owner. Employee thinking asks, how many hours did I work? How much salary did I earn? When is my next paycheck? Owner thinking asks, does this scale? Does this compound? Does this work while I sleep? Munger believed me, you don't get rich by selling time. You get rich by owning assets. Why hard work has a ceiling time is limited. No matter how hard you work, there are only 24 hours in a day. Munger understood. Salary has a cap. Time has a limit. Effort doesn't always compound. Ownership does. The power of compounding. Munger often said, the big money is not in the buying or selling, but in the waiting. Wealth grows when capital compounds, businesses scale. Decisions are long-term, not when you just work more hours. What rich people really do, according to Munger, wealthy people think in decades, invest instead of consume, buy quality assets, avoid stupidity more than they chase brilliance. They escape employee thinking early. The brutal reality. Munger warned, if you rely only on your labor, you will always trade time for money, and time always runs out. That's why he pushed investing, ownership, rational decision making, lifelong learning. Final lesson. Charlie Munger's message was simple. Working hard makes you busy. Thinking clearly makes you wealthy. The moment you stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an owner, that's where the real game begins.